Yo, what's good guys? So in just about a minute, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can access Google Veo 3. Actually, there's been an update. So Google Veo 3.1 as a Nigerian for a full year for free. Let's go. Getting our free access to Google Veo 3 for 1 year. So, I'm gonna head over to Google Gemini. As you can see right here, I have the pro accounts. You can distinct it just by looking at the glowing color surrounding your name. So I'm just gonna go to manage my Google accounts. So as you can see, Google One, Google AI Pro renews on October 15, 2026. As you can see down below in the bottom right corner, Wednesday, October 15, 2025. So these will be valid till next year, October 15. So just to show you guys. So now we're going to be creating a fresh account for the purpose of this video. And we're going to be doing it live so you guys know how to go about it. So first thing first, go to Google and search Google Pro for students. And you click on get offer. Now, as you can see, it's saying you're already subscribed. That's because I'm on the account that I created less than an hour ago. So we are using a fresh account. I'm going to switch to that fresh account now. Now, as you can see, it's saying verify eligibility. Before we do that, let's just play around a little. I'm going to head over to Gemini on the old account and just generate something. Generate a close-up shot of a knife cutting through a tomato, but the inside of the tomato is lava. So I think this type of content is called ASMR video. So if you want to do something like this, don't just do a basic prompt like I did. You have to use the keyword ASMR. And by doing that, it's going to automatically know that it's going to use a close-up shot. You don't have to say all of that. And if you don't know how to prompt, just use your basic prompt, your basic idea, feed it to ChatGPT, and it's going to make it into a professional prompt for you to use in your video generator. So with that done, let's head over to verifying our new accounts. So I'm going to click on verify eligibility. So as you can see, verify student status. Good news for us, before this isn't accessible to Nigerians, but as of October, just very recently, I think October 7 or October 10, I don't remember the date, it was extended to Nigerians, and this offer is available to us until December 9. So I'm gonna head over, I'm gonna continue and fill out this form. So for your country, select Nigeria, of course. For the education establishment name, I'm going to be using Federal University Oyekiti, Fuye. So I'm going to click that. First name, input your first name, input your last name, and your date of birth. Do that. And your email address. I would advise you to use the same email address you're trying to verify with. So in case something go wrong, they'll send you a message on the email address you provide in this form. So first, cross-check everything, make sure everything is all right, then click on verify. Now, as you can see, it's saying verify your student status. Now you'll be prompted to this page, and it says sign into my academic institution. Now, you just click on that and close the tab immediately. So once you've done that, it's going to bring this page for you that says upload proof of enrollment, which is what we are doing. We are going to be submitting our ID card to prove that we are actually a student, because that's what this offer is. So if you are actually a student and you have your ID cards and your credentials ready, you can just add your documents in there and verify straight. So you can skip the next 4 minutes of this video. So for the regular people that want to do this and they are not currently a student, so here's what you're going to do. So I basically just recreate an existing ID card of Fuye. You can just screenshot the ID cards on the screen now and edit it to your name and paste to verify for your own account. Also, screenshot this school fee receipt, because we're going to be using 2 documents just to make sure you get verified immediately and there's no hiccup whatsoever. So screenshot those 2 documents and then go ahead. I'm just gonna go ahead and edit these documents for the new Gmail accounts I'm doing for this video. Okay. Just need to edit your name, the matric number, and that's it really. I'm going to click on download. And now I have my 2 documents ready. So upload proof of enrollment, add your documents. Click on add and then add your documents. First is the ID card, open. And then you add the school fee receipt. So this is a foolproof method. That's why I'm using it. 2 documents. Do this countdown from 20 to 0 seconds. You're going to get verified before the seconds hits 0. But for this process, this method I'm showing you in this video, using these 2 documents, there's no way you won't get verified. Bam, you've been verified. Now we actually been verified for Google AI Pro, and we have access to a lot of tools, including Google Veo 3. So you're going to click on Get Google AI Pro, click on Get Student Offer, agree to the terms and conditions, and then you're going to be prompted to pay, but you're not going to be paying because this is free. But you have to add your card details, so you won't be charged. And if you got charged, you'll be charged like 50 naira or other naira, and you're going to be reimbursed that amount in the same minute. Okay, so I'm going to blow out this while editing this video. So just go ahead and add your card details. You can add any card details. It doesn't have to be yours. It could be your mom's. It could be, I'm not saying you to do that, but any card details will actually work. I can create an account using your details, your name and everything, and use my card to help you verify. So that's what I'm trying to say. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill out that, submit it. Great. So now if I'm doing this on mobile, you can actually do this on mobile. But I'm just for this tutorial I'm using the laptop. But if you're doing this on mobile, it's actually easier for you when you're about to pay. You can just use your fingerprints. Once if you use Google Pay very well, you can just use your fingerprints and just like that, you're done paying. But for the system, this is what you're gonna be met with. So I'm going to set OTP to my phone now. So click on OTP SMS, then continue. Yes, so I have the code. I'm going to input that and click on submit. Enter my code, click on submit. It's processing. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen, subscribed. Just got the Google AI Pro, guys. I'm going to take a screenshot. I'm going to save it. Another one, because yeah, it's another one. So as you can see, Google AI Pro, Enjoy Gemini, Notebook LM, and more. So these are all the benefits that you actually have access to. If you made it to this point of the video, there's actually a giveaway for you guys. Just comment what you're going to be using this for, and I'm going to pick a winner randomly, and that person is going to win a free Google Pro account. So shout out to Google for actually doing this and making it possible for Nigerians to access this. I have to tell you, when I actually heard the news, I was excited because before, to actually get it, I was using I had to create a fake Indian ID to just get access and stuff. But now that it's actually accessible to Nigerians, it's a lot easier compared to when it's available for about 8 countries and Nigeria is now among. So yeah, absolutely. There's actually two main ways you can access Veo 3.1. You can use the Google Gemini, which is going to give you 3 generations per day. So in 30 days, that's 90 generations. Open a new tab, search Google Flow, and then click on the first link. Already you can see the probe next to your profile. If you clicked on it, you'll be able to see that you actually have 1,000 credits. And each Veo 3 generation that you did will be 20 credits per generation. So for Veo 2, that's 10 credits, I believe. My credits is down to 980 instead of 1,000 credits. Now you can tweak how you want the output to be. You can select an aspect ratio, landscape. You can choose portraits if you are making this for a mobile. If you are making a mobile video, the output per prompt you can choose 1 to 4. So I normally choose 2. So in case one is not good, the other will be better. So naturally, if you choose 2 outputs, that's 40 credits instead of 20. The first generation I did failed. If I check right now, you see that I've actually gotten my credits back. So now it's back to 1,000 credits. I'm gonna give it another prompt. I set the output to 2. So generate that. As you can see, our video is ready. We're gonna play this. Amazing. Nice. So you can just download this right away, or you can upscale this before you download it. So you can download it in the original size, which is 720p, or you can upscale it to a 1K video. So if you click on upscaled, you won't be charged any credits. To upscale your video is actually free. Go back to the tab. You see finished upscaling. You can download or dismiss. I'm gonna click on download. Just like that, you have your video. So one important thing to note is that if you don't want to be billed by October 15, 2026 on your card, they don't deduct money next year. So go over to manage your Google accounts, head over to payment and subscriptions, scroll down, and you'll be able to see what you're subscribed to. So click on Google One, click on it again, click on manage, and you'll be able to see the option to cancel your subscription in the bottom left corner. So click on cancel subscription. It's going to ask you what's making you cancel. There's a bunch of options. I found the beta app. I don't use this service enough. Technical issues, cost related issues. For this, I'm just going to be choosing decline to answer, and then click on continue. Cancel subscription. And there you go. You have a free year access to this, and you won't be billed. Your card won't be charged next year when this expires. Congratulations if you found this video. You are one of the lucky few, and let me know why doing this. If you run into any issues, you can drop this in the comments. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And if you are wondering what's currently behind me on your screen, this is a video I'm working on, by the way, all with AI. And if you're interested in seeing what the end result looks like, stay tuned to the channel.
Oh, why did this happen to me? I should have been more careful.